step-by-step guide to starting a hatchery business at home or in your farm, either for commercial or for personal use. Number one step you need to take is conduct research and planning in your area. You need to do that. Learn about the hatching process and market demand. Choose the right breed of poultry based on market needs. Which poultry birds? Is it turkey? Is it geese, guinea fowl, or broilers that can move fast in your area? Which one do they demand the day-old chicks frequently in your location? Create a business plan, including cost and profitability analysis. If you want a very good business plan, a professional business plan on poultry hatchery business, you can contact me and make sure you are ready to pay for it. Then the next step is the second step. Select a suitable location. Location is very important in every business, and hatchery is not an exception. Ensure a well-ventilated and clean environment. You don't build hatchery where local chickens are too rampant, too common. Maintain proper temperature and humidity levels. Keep the hatchery separate from other poultry areas to prevent contaminations. The next step you need to take is purchase essential equipment. The equipment are those equipment that I mentioned in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, go now and watch that video in the Poultry Site TV. That's where the video is uploaded. That video is uploaded today. That video is uploaded today. Go and watch that video right now. I'll keep the link of that video in this particular description. So check the description of this particular video. You see the link. Check the equipment you need to purchase. Purchase essential equipment. Get a quality incubator, manual or automatic. I always advise you for automatic incubator. Buy egg trays, candling lamps, thermometers, and hygrometers. Most of all this I mentioned now comes with the incubator if you are buying automatic incubators. Set up a brooder for newly hatched chicks. A very clean brooder, professional brooder that can take care of the number of chicks you hatch in a day, so that they will be there waiting for transport or for buyers. The next thing is the fourth step. Secure high quality hatching eggs. If you are not yet producing your own fertile eggs, make sure you have a reputable supplier of quality fertile eggs that will not fail you. Select eggs from healthy, disease-free breeders' flocks. Store eggs in a cool, dry place before incubation. Avoid cracked or misshaped or dirty eggs. These eggs will not hatch. The next step is the fifth step. Prepare the incubator. That is, you have all that things ready. You have the incubator ready. Now, the next thing is clean and disinfect the incubator before use. In that previous video, the link is on the particular video, you have disinfection or disinfectant you need to buy to disinfect your incubation. To disinfect your incubators. It is very important that you disinfect the incubator, clean it very well before installing eggs in it to avoid contamination and infections. Select the correct temperature. Every incubator has temperature controller, and the setting temperature for good automatic incubator is 37.5 degrees for the first 18 days of life. Then it drops during hatching period, which is 18 to 21st day if you're hatching chicken eggs. It will drop to 37.2 or 37.2. It's okay for hatching. That is 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintain humidity level 50 to 55% during incubation period. You know that in hatching business, you have the incubation period, which is 18 days for chicken. That 18 days is the proper incubating days. Then the next 3 days, the last 3 days is the hatching 3 days. This period is when the chicks will start hatching. Some chicks start hatching from day 19. Some hatch from day 20, some hatch from day 21. But between 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, all the good eggs must have hatched. So that is it. That's the waiting period. Use 37.5 and 50 to 55 degree percent incubation humidity for that period. Then the next step is start the incubation process. Place eggs in the incubator with the point head down. That pointed head should be on the tray. The way you fix it on the egg tray, that's how you're supposed to fix it on the incubation tray also. So the big side of it should face up. That's where the chicks hatch. Chicks hatch from that big side, the round shaped side. Now, the next one is turn the egg manually or automatically. If you're using automatic incubator, the incubator turns the egg on its own. Some incubators turns every 2 hours. You turn the eggs to make sure that all the sections of the egg are well incubated and to make sure that the chicks does not stick to the embryo. That is, the embryo does not stick to the shell of the egg. That's what I mean. So the incubator turns the egg on 2 hours day, 2 hours, every 2 hours they turn the egg once. If you are using manual, please make sure you turn the egg at least 3 to 6 times in a day for good hatching process. Then monitor temperature, humidity and ventilation throughout the process. It's very important. It's easy and enjoyable. It is a simple process, but you need to work hard. Prepare for hatching days. Day 18 to 21 is the hatching days. Stop turning eggs after 18 days. After 18 days, make sure you stop turning your egg after 18 days. Even the incubator, put the turner off so that the egg will not be turning up after 18 days. That's the time the embryo sits for hatching. The next thing is increase humidity to 65 to 75 degree to 65 to 75% during the hatching process so that the egg will have enough humidity to crack the egg and cut off and come out. Avoid opening the incubator frequently to maintain stable conditions during the hatching process. Step 8 is hatch and transfer chicks to the brooder. Chicks start hatching from 19 to 21 days. Allow chicks to dry before transferring them to a brooder. Maintain brooder temperature 32 to 35 degrees centigrade for the first week. Provide proper care for day-old chicks. Give them water and high-quality starter feed. Ensure adequate warmth, ventilation and space. Follow vaccination and health management schedule. The next step is maintain biosecurity and hygiene. Regularly disinfect equipment and hatchery spaces. Prevent diseases outbreak by keeping visitors out of the environment, even the pests. Make sure it is pest control from rats, and rats can even destroy your young chicks. So make sure you keep all these rats, lizard and rest of them, war gecko and most of them off from your hatchery site. Isolate any weak or sick chicks immediately. Notice it. The next step is market and sell your day-old chicks. Advertise through social media, local markets, and farm networks. Offer bulk discounts to attract more buyers. Maintain quality and consistency to build a good reputation. Expand and scale up your business. That's the next and final step. Increase incubator capacity as demands grow. You can grow from small mini incubator to commercial incubator. I will show you the next video. I will show you all these incubators I'm mentioning here. I'm going to show you even the incubator inside the incubator. I'm going to show you what the incubator have inside. The next video, make sure you watch them and make sure you subscribe to my both channels, both the Poultry Side TV and Dr. Leonard Charles. Please subscribe to both channels so that I post on each of the channels. I post videos on each of the channels, and I don't post the same video. Any video I post here, I will not post it in the other one. So that means every day I post 2 videos, one here and one here. So make sure you subscribe to both channels so that you can get all my videos. The next video I'm loading now, I'm going to show you different capacities of incubators and their content, what they have inside, so that you know, and how to use them. That's the next video loading. And that's why, and this particular video will be uploaded in the next channel, not here again, in the particular channel. So make sure you subscribe to both channels. The next thing is diversify by hatching different poultry breeds. You can now get turkey parent stock, guinea fowl parent stock, geese, and other breeds of poultry, so that you have a very good wide market. Then reinvest profits into better equipment and farm expansions. Don't just start reaping your profit immediately. Expand. Buy more things like solar, high capacity solar and inverters to increase incubators and others. Please, this is all I have for you in this particular step-by-step guide on how to start your own incubation business. Based on the question you have asked on the comment section, I'm going to load another video where I will show you different capacity of incubators and their internal content and the uses of all those accessories of the incubators. So watch the video next channel. Not in this particular channel, I load different videos. Thank you for watching. Share this video to reach more farmers and drop your comment on the comment section. But if you are a channel community member, you can ask for my WhatsApp number. I'll send you a message on WhatsApp number. We'll discuss there. We chat and interact, and I'll get in touch with you. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video to reach more farmers and drop your comment. Bye for now.